Hi there, it's me again, Julie. So now let us learn how to create a customer statement in QuickBooks Online. So now let's dive into our sample QBO account. And now let's look at how to create a customer statement. So first, we have to navigate here from the left-hand navigation bar, select Sales Center, and then select the Customers tab. So here in the customers tab, we can see here the list of the customers. So just check the customers we want to make the statements for. So in our case, we will check Bill Windsurf Shop. And then in our batch actions drop down menu, just select create statements. And on the create statement screen, select the statement type from the drop down menu. So there is our statement type. So we have here three types of statement: the balance forward, the open item, and the transaction statement. So the balance forward, it is a list of invoices and payments with the balance of the date range selected. So we can use this if we want to provide a customer with a summary of what is still due on their account. While an open item, it is a list of all open and unpaid invoices. We can use this if we want to provide a detail of an unpaid invoices and applied payments and credit memos to their customers. While the transaction statement, it shows all the transactions between the customers and clients business between two set dates. So we can use this when there is a large volume of transactions for a customer, so they can see how their payments have been applied. And that's it. And in our case, we will going to choose the balance forward, since we will going to provide our customers a summary of what is still due on their account. And next, then set the date fields. So there is a date field. So it's up to you how long would you set the date for your customer. And then make sure to input the email address of your customer. So this is your customer, Bill's Windsurf Shop, and this is the email address. So when you're done, just select save and send. All right. And now review the details on the next screen. So this is the details for the email that you will be sending for your to your customer of his statements. And this is the email of the customer. This is the subject of your email, and this is the body of your message to your customers. So if you want this to edit, you can simply highlight this one and edit. But when you're done, just select send again. That's it. So we have successfully created a customer statement. So that's it. Thank you for watching.